Ethan thought it was just a cough, a seasonal cold, nothing more. But within days, his body started failing him. His lungs struggled for air. His fever refused to break. And soon, what seemed like a harmless illness turned into a life-threatening nightmare. What happened to him? And could this happen to you? This is the chilling, true story of how an ordinary cough nearly killed him. It started with a tickle in his throat, a little dry cough, annoying but harmless. Ethan was young, healthy. He had never been seriously ill before. By day 3, the cough had worsened, deep, persistent. His chest felt heavy. Still, he shrugged it off. Just a cold, right? He couldn't shake the feeling that something was off. The fever had kicked in. High, relentless. He took medicine, drank water, but nothing helped. And then, the first warning sign. Blood. His body was telling him something was very, very wrong. By nightfall, he couldn't ignore it any longer. His breathing became shallow, fast. Each inhale felt like a struggle. Doctors checked his lungs, blood tests, x-rays, and then the terrifying diagnosis. He had pneumonia, but not just any pneumonia, bacterial pneumonia, and it was spreading fast. His lungs were filling with fluid. The infection was ravaging his body. Without treatment, he wouldn't last long. Time was running out. They had to act fast. For 5 days, Ethan's life hung in the balance. His body was in an all-out war against the infection. The good news? The antibiotics were working. Slowly but surely, he was stabilizing. Ethan had survived. Ethan never imagined that a simple cough could almost kill him. Pneumonia can strike anyone. It doesn't care if you're young, healthy, or strong. Every year, millions are hospitalized and thousands don't survive. The signs can be deceptively simple. A cough that won't go away. A fever that keeps climbing. Trouble breathing. If you feel something isn't right, don't wait. Seek help immediately. Early treatment saves lives. And for Ethan, it made the difference between life and death. Could you recognize the warning signs before it's too late? Share this video. It might just save a life. Subscribe for more real medical mysteries. Because sometimes, the most dangerous illnesses start with something as simple as a cough.